What's up? New pickup today. I just got it from Amazon. And it's really late at night and I am tired. But here okay. Yeah, this is way too big. Maybe I should empty it, but I mean, if you can't see, it's the Tag Team Generations Premium Collection. Premium! So, yeah, I guess we're gonna see how that goes. Anyways. Yeah, let's take it out of the stuff first and put it all on the table. Okay, that's better. Alright. Well, my premium case came with, let me see, one. I could have swore this is supposed to come with Evolutions, but mine ended up coming up with 2 Cosmic Eclipse, and then it looks like 4 Unified Minds, or 5, because I'm stupid, I can't count correctly, but there's supposed to be 7. I could have swore one of them was supposed to be Evolutions. Oh well, but this is cool. And then it came with a code card, and came with these promo cards, which is great. Let me see here. The Venusaur Tag Team card with the Snivy, and then there's the Charizard and Braxian card promo. Pretty nice. Even the coin's pretty sweet. I don't know if I could zoom in on that, can it? Or maybe not. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it looks pretty sweet. But yeah, these 2 cards are pretty awesome. What? Oh, okay. Well, there goes that. Oh, no more PSA 10. Horror. Actually, this is pretty nice. Anyways, let's go put that up. And here's the big gigantic card. I don't know if anybody really cares about this, but it's actually textured. It's pretty nice. It's a bigger version of this promo card. And you know what? It is pretty... It's actually better than I think the double one I got before. The collection also comes with a playmat, and this is kind of like one of the main reasons why I got it. I didn't know it came in here because I saw somebody else had it on YouTube. Pretty sweet. Hopefully I can open it up, and oh yeah, look at that. That is pretty amazing. That is amazing. Okay. It's kind of weird. Where's the Blastoise in the... Like, should I get a promo card for that? Oh well. I guess let's go lay this out and then put the cards on top. Why not? Dang, does that look nice? Oof. That's pretty sweet. Hopefully I don't destroy this thing super fast. I'm probably going to roll it back up. Anyways, here's the packs. We got 2 Cosmic Eclipses. We got 5 actually, Unified Minds. So, I guess we could start out with the Unified Minds. I have so many of these. Too bad to get any other packs in it, but... Okay. There we go, it's focusing. Vigoroth, Audino, Grimer, Hoot, Carablast, Honedge. Got a pretty nice Pikachu. Never really opened this set, to be honest. Oh! Yes! Okay, this is pretty sweet. I already have this card, but it's great to pull a natural one. Nice. It's actually a pretty good cut. I love Psyduck in this card. I actually bought it on TCG Player a long time ago. Back in like September or something, but dang. This is pretty sweet. I'm actually pretty happy about this. Oh, Unified Minds. Let's go put that right here. Let's get to the next one. Oh, I don't know. I like personally sleeving these ones just because if they go trade in for bulk, I don't want to, mess it up. They're worth more if they're decent shape when you trade it in. So let's go and open another Unified Minds. Hell yeah, let's go. I mean, at first with this box, I could have swore this was supposed to come with the evolutions and then like 2 of these, 4 of those, but who knows. This could be like an older original before they start stacking it. See, Umber Pod. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's go Fire Energy. Hapu. If it could, there we go. Magneton, Sableye, Wimpod. We got, was that Noibat? Noibat? Oh, that's a nice art. Sneasel. I like Sneasel. Okay, Bounsweet, Joltik. You got Skorupi. It's pretty nice. I have no idea what this is. Iglash. It's a holo. That's cool. Skorupi. Yeah. Why not? Let's go. Just might as well sleeve those. Just gonna put it down over there though. I mean, technically it's a hit. Technically. But I'm definitely liking the Psyduck. The Psyduck and freaking Slowpoke. I mean, look at it. It's like legitimately like the perfect tag team. Like, look at those guys. Alright, let's start with the back here. Boom. Let's get another one. No, I should probably like, toss these over here. Ooh, Fairy Energy. Don't really see that often, right? Alright. There you go. A Dino. We got the Yanmaga. We got a Jinx. We got a Muna. We got a Pikachu. Another different art of Pikachu. This one's pretty sweet. Alright, what else we got? We got a Bidoof. Cosmog. Magmar. Formantis. And a... Really? A Honchkrow? I mean, it's a rare, but still. Still gonna sleeve it. Helps me separate them. Commons. Question is, should I do one of the Cosmic Eclipse? Okay, let's go with Cosmic. I will say though, these packs are way better packaged than, or way better wrapped than the latest sets that came out for Champion's Path and Vivid Voltage. Those packs are literally either too tight or too loose. Well, Vivid's better than Champions. Let me see here. Got it. Let's go. Dark Energy. Ooh, Absol. That's cool. Let's go there. Got a Flareon. Got a Roller Skater. The Teddy Ursa. Golett. Dew Piper. The Helioptile. Whatever. Carvana. Golduck. There's a reverse holo. That's kind of cool. Wallaby. Ooh! What? That is pretty sweet. Solgaleo and Lunala. Wow, that's some good art, dude. That is pretty sick, actually. Jeez, these ones are treating me way better than the latest sets. Man, you just need to get more Cosmic Eclipse and Unified Mind. Man, look at this bad boy. There you go. It is man, dude. I kind of want the Ring Tag Team back. Well, not like reprinted necessarily, but like a new version of Tag Team. Damn, that's pretty sick. Oh yeah, so those are some good ones right there. Let's go. Boop. Keep this over here. These two hits. Let's go. I guess let's go back to Unified Minds. Keep these cards separate. I like keeping my bulk not super mixed up. Some places that buy it don't want it mixed up. You know. Alright. Let's go back. Boom. You got the Fighting Energy. Reset Stamp. I actually use this. I like it. Just super annoying to opponents. Electric. The Dene. Sawaddle. The Bidoof. The Skorupi. Wimpod. Noibat. Ooh, it's a Hoopa. Hoopa, Reverse Hall. And the big... Ooh. Unfenzent. It's alright. Not terrible. Not great. Okay, it's pretty terrible. Like, come on. Who's looking for this card? Nobody. Just gonna throw it over there. Hoopa. Reverse Hollow. It's pretty cool. But we'll throw them over there. This more bulk. Okay, now the question is which one? Blastoise or Mewtwo? I mean, we got a hit with this. The last one, there's only two of them. I'm pretty sure this is like not a hit. This one, okay, let's go Unified Minds one more time and then end up with Cosmic Eclipse. You know? Got a Fighting Energy. Can we zoom in on that, please? Not zoom in, focus. Yep. Fighting Energy. Normalization Z. Normalium Z, sorry. I have no idea what this is. I wasn't playing during this time. Boo. Magneton. Some Gen 1s. Noibat. Sawaddle. The Skorupi. The Wimpod. Slakoth. I feel like they made this guy to be like the smarter version of Slowpoke. Oranguru. Honestly, he creeps me a little out. But looks pretty okay. And really? Salazzle? I mean, I guess that's okay. It's alright, I guess. Womp womp. I don't want to ruin the Reverse Hollow, even though it's like worth like 10 cents. In most cases, it's worth 10 cents. It's probably less. Alright, let's go end it with a bang, hopefully. Cosmic Eclipse. It'd be cool to get that Blastoise and Piplup with. Let's go with those guys. That'd be cool. Who knows? Wait, what's wrong with this pack? Take out the code card. Don't look at it. I want to be genuinely surprised. You know, when I pull an amazing card. Hey, Fairy Energy. Focus. Yeah, you got a camera. Igglybuff. Igglybuff. Looks pretty cute. Pyroar. Okay. Hakamano. Ponyta. Sunkern. Cosmog. Got a nice Psyduck. Actually, pretty sweet. As we have the. Is it Sabrina Psyduck that does this? I forgot which one. Trapinch. Ooh, Reverse Hollow Eevee. Well, that's a pretty card. Oh, she's in the rain. It's pretty nice. Okay. Hey, Kyogre. Not hollow. But dang, dude, I haven't seen a Kyogre in forever. I'll sleeve him. Same thing with the Eevee. Why not? So that's pretty cool. So the hits aren't terrible, but I mean, come on. This is pretty sweet. And then, of course, this guy. I'm happy I got another one of these. Planning to send some to grade. And this guy looks pretty spot on. It's like what? Is this like a really good copy? Maybe a little thin on the right side. Maybe. Very little, if anything. Looks pretty legit. Yeah, I'm definitely send that one in. This guy's pretty cool. So those are pretty sweet. Golduck, I guess. The Eevee. Nice. There you go. Kyogre. And what else did we get here? Got a bunch of Salazzle. Oranguru. Hoopa. Unpheasant. The Honchkrow. Got Fomantis. And let me see. Skorupi. And Medicham. It's alright. I would say out of these ones, I'd probably like Hoopa and Rangaroo, I guess, but Rangaroo creeps me the hell out. But anyways, well, that was for that box. And if anything, I mean, even if you didn't get a hit, my god, this mat is amazing. You got the starters. Unfortunately, you only get these two promos. And of course I dropped that again. That's not good. I'm definitely sending that for Brady. Definitely coming back at 10. Oh, I guess that guy's gonna come back at 10 too. Anyways, don't do what I just did. Drop your cards again. But these are great. These are awesome. And did I ruin them? Shockingly, no. Because it feels like they spend more time fixing promos than the actual cards inside the packages. Anyways. This Venusaur's pretty sweet, though. Snivy. Look how angry he looks. And the Charizard, he's a little slow. He's not in the front. But yeah, these are cool. Until next time, guys. Peace.